need to actually become the storm. Have you ever felt like that you just don't blend in with the people around you? This video is for someone and very few people who just can't seem to blend in, who just can't seem to fit in because they were meant to stand out. Frustrates the shit out of you. But you know what? What if I told you need to actually become the storm? And what do I mean by becoming the storm? You are the person, what I am describing right now. Keep watching, and if you just blend in and go with the people around you, this video isn't for you. Have you ever felt like that you just don't blend in with the people around you? You don't fit in, or you just can't seem to be same as what they are. You want to do the normal 9 to 5 job, or you just do the normal average things and be mediocre. Not actually be mediocre, but you just want to fit in with the people around you, but you just can't seem to fit in, and it just frustrates the shit out of you. But you know what? What if I told you need to actually become the storm? And what do I mean by becoming the storm? We have been told to be gentle, be calm, be composed, but some of us were just not meant to be calm and composed. Some of us were meant to be storm. If this is the person, if you are the person, what I am describing right now, keep watching, and if you just blend in and go with the people around you, this video isn't for you. This video is for someone and very few people who just can't seem to blend in, who just can't seem to fit in because they were meant to stand out. They were meant to make big changes. They were meant for bigger things. God sent them for a bigger purpose, and they need to figure this thing as soon as they can. So how do you become the storm? You become the storm when you recognize your power. How do you recognize your power? Well, recognizing your power comes with embracing. Everyone talks about being calm, composed, being very gentle, but not everyone is supposed to be gentle. Maybe you are meant to be the storm, what I'm talking about. Well, becoming the storm comes often accepting who you have been isn't what you're actually destined to be. Becoming storm, it's very raw, it's messy. The second step is becoming unbreakable and unstoppable. How do you actually become unbreakable? Becoming unbreakable doesn't mean you don't fall at all or you don't fail at all. Well, you might often fail more than often because you are trying much more harder, and that's when I want to say that every time you fail, every time you suck at something, you do them again and again and again, over and over again, until you get the victory right in your hands. You don't give up. It might take you early mornings, it might take you all your energy, it might take everything you have inside your brain. Becoming unbreakable is often raw, it's messy, and at all times, at most of the times, it's very inconvenient because it is like, welcoming that change that you never thought you were going to welcome, that you never thought that you are actually this person. Who is this diva? I don't know. But it's actually a new self, the better and the real self that you are actually meant to be, because God sent you here on this earth with a purpose, with a special purpose than others. And part 3 is the silent force. When you walk in the room, you don't need to be loud, you don't need to shout, you don't need to talk loudly. Action speaks louder than words. Your presence is felt. When you walk in the room, you turn all your heads onto. Not because you are just simply physically attractive, but your aura is way more brighter. You are actually carrying and embodying something in yourself. It's the power. It's all those qualities of becoming the storm. You are quiet when you choose to be. You are fearful when you want to be and when you choose to be. It's in your own hands. I am not saying by becoming storm, you have to be loud, you have to speak louder, you have to get all that attention to you. You don't have to get it. It should come on their own. All those things should come at peace, should come on its own. You don't have to work hard for it. What you actually have to work hard for it is becoming unstoppable, unbreakable, and becoming a storm. Becoming a storm you were always meant to be. And here's the truth. You are not meant to be ordinary. You are not meant to blend in. You are meant to stand out. You are meant for bigger things and bigger purpose. You are meant to unleash a power that is so strong that it makes a huge impact on the world, a positive impact. And you are the storm when you decide it's your time, finally. Goodbye.